Hello and welcome to 𝒊𝒑 Industry, your go-to channel for all things manufacturing and technology. I am 𝒓𝒑𝒂𝒍 reporting from IMTEX 2025, South and Southeast Asia's largest machine tool and manufacturing technology show, happening right here in the vibrant city of Bangalore. So today, we are bringing you an exclusive episode of Product Spotlight from the booth of MARPOSS, an Italian major in the field of testing, measurement and inspection technologies. So known for their advanced, cutting-edge, state-of-the-art technologies, MARPOSS is showcasing and bringing their innovative technologies from Italy for the machine tools and manufacturing technology in this particular show. So stay tuned as we take you on a walkthrough of their remarkable product lineup that's shaping the future of manufacturing.
So, good morning everyone. I'm Raman Upmanyu. I am Industry Manager for EV, Biomedical, Aerospace and Defense here at MARPOSS India. Today we are at IMTEX 2025 and I am going to show you the few of the solutions which we have developed for particularly biomedical and EV industry. First solution here which we have for biomedical industry is leakage testing of any kind of disposables. So if you have the disposables like urine bags, blood tubings, catheters, and if you want to conduct the leakage testing, you can easily be able to conduct that through this particular device. We are able to conduct the leak testing through the pressure difference method as well as the flow method. Secondly, we also provide the automatic dispensers for the bonding of tubes to some of the connectors through cyclohexanon. This is very precise bonding. Bonding can be done very precisely, and yes, we can provide you that also. Now, moving forward to another segment. So, next solution which I want all our viewers to get focus on is the solution we have developed for EV. So, this particular machine is developed to test the leakage of completely sealed cells. Completely sealed cells means whenever anode, cathode separator is being filled inside the aluminium casing, and the electrolyte is already being filled and the cell is completely sealed, then you need to detect the leakage of electrolyte which is coming inside from the inside cell. Then we have developed this machine to check the leakage of the cells. Leakage testing is needed for the electrolyte because if you don't do this leakage, there will be a chances of electrolyte getting leaked, and when it gets react with the atmosphere, there is a chances of fire. If you don't test it, there will be a loss of life, there will be loss of, anything could happen. So this test is very necessary. If someone is importing the cells from outside India, then every battery pack manufacturer should have this machine for their incoming inspection, so that whenever they are going to produce the module or the pack assembly, they can test the cell before. Like obviously they are doing the grading of the cells, but leakage testing can also be conducted at the beginning of line for the module assembly.
Welcome to MARPOSS booth. I'm Luca Bruni and I'm from MARPOSS headquarters in Italy. And today I want to show you what we are proposing and showing at IMTEX 2025. So let's start from bore gauges. MARPOSS has many different types of bore gauges, starting from the mechanical version to hair plugs. We have different type of electronic units. The easiest one is named Duo. It's possible to measure up to 2 measurements at the same time. Then we have Nemo for much more complex application for data storage, data collection and traceability. Then let me introduce to Merlin Plus and iWave2. Here we have a guided sequence made with iWave2 plug gauges. So using the display is very easy to understand the measurement, and thanks to Merlin Plus, the operator will be guided in the procedure of measurement. So automatically the next plug gauges is switched on. So the operator is very guided in this operation. As you can see, we have many different types of plug gauges. Also from the ergonomical point of view, iWave2 can be used in both sides, so vertical or horizontal position. From the summary page, the operator can understand the status of the whole part. So now let's switch on another type of components. We are now talking about pencil probes. MARPOSS is leader in providing a component to end user, fixture maker and OEMs. This is the second generation of pencil probes, completely studied and developed in MARPOSS, produced in Italy. But today we are presenting the new generation of pencil probe, that is SmartNet. SmartNet is a complete digitalized probe. Inside this small connector there is a digitalization and linearization of the signal. Thanks to SmartNet, it's very easy for the customer and for the operator understand the status of the measurement, and it's very easy for the OEM implement new additional systems. This is the software, so the web server does not require any installation on your computer. It can be interfaced with PC or PLC thanks to the Ethernet or the industrial Ethernet connector to understand exactly which is the status of each measurement. So for example, if some problem occurs, the LED will be red and the operator can immediately understand which is the problem or the issues.
This is Basanagouda Patil. I am the Solarius Application Manager and 3C Technical Specialist. Basically, I am taking care of a 3C market as well as other industries which are related to Solarius. So here you can see, this is a machine, CNC machine, where MARPOSS gives a lot of solutions on it related to tool inspections, tool measurements and process monitoring as well. And here you can also find a lot of equipments on our machine, where basically we can measure tools, and then we can measure the parts, and we can also find out the machine health. And we have come up with some new products which are related to machine monitoring systems. One is the C energy, and one more is tool breakage detection. We call that as JMBR. And we have standard products, basically like probes, machine tool probes, which are going to be used for a part inspection and part setting, and also tool setters, which are used for tool length measurements and tool breakage detection as well. But we also have a real-time measurements, which we call them as machine monitoring systems. And here you can find a live demo where you are measuring lot of tools and also measuring the parts. So basically this is the one what you're seeing in front of us is basically we call it as a 3D profilometer, where we are using a sensor which is called chromatic confocal line sensor. We use basically majority of the time we use it in semiconductor industries, but it is not limited only to that particular sector, but we are also using it for many other purposes, for automotive, the medical science, and also sometimes in aerospace as well, and also blast industries. So here this tool can be used for measuring the surface roughness of the parts, and then basically we can also measure a lot of dimensions. We can measure the thickness, and if there is a multi-layer parts, we can also measure the thickness of those parts. Then what we do is we also make some customized solutions on this one, where we make the solutions using different platforms, where we can build multiple sensors together and make a final algorithm where we can do multiple measurements, and also used for defect identifications in many sectors. You see, I just scanned a coin just to show you that we can find a lot of information here, where you can see every single details in nano levels.
So that wraps up our walkthrough of the exciting innovations from MARPOSS at IMTEX 2025. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. to Mojo for Industry for more updates from the world of manufacturing and technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Product Spotlight.